Alright, Mustang fans. So the reason why I haven't been putting videos up is because of this thing right here, the old Rubble Master Compact Recycler. I've been out of town having to crush this stuff, so I'm not going to be in town for a while. Therefore, I'm probably not going to get a video done. Car's still up on blocks. Got a bolt that's melted to the bushing on the control arm. I just can't get that off. It's been a total pain to get off. So I went through like 6 blades so far. I got half of it off. Gotta cut the other end of the bolt to drop it out of there and put those BMR control arms in. Seen a few other videos. I'm glad to see that everybody's using BMR. They're a good company. As for the motor build, it's kind of postponed. I'm going to be out of town a lot this year, or the rest of the year. Which means more money, which means more car parts. So that's always good. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's my machine right there. I'm crushing this concrete. We tore down a police station. There's a fire department right there. This will be the second police station I'm torn down in the past couple weeks. And if you were wondering what a demo looks like, this is after the walls are down, of course. You know, metal, asphalt, copper. We crushed this stuff up into little tiny pieces, and there's Chuck up there. He's making my pile smaller because my pile's almost up to the stacker. Right there, as you can see, there's some debris. That's a laborer right there. This is the machine I'm working with. Don't ever become a crusher operator. But as you can see, I'm wearing my Samsula Marine Division. I tell you, it'd be nice to be out on the water right now, but I'm in the middle of Fort Pierce. I think I'm in Fort Pierce. So yeah, that's it. I drove the Lincoln. Can you see it over there? Where is it? You just barely see it. I drove my wife's Lincoln. She wanted to drive the Dodge. So it's actually a pretty nice car. We're gonna look into getting a new one. I'm really, probably the end of this year, beginning of next year, we're buying a new Mustang. Maybe it'll help the channel too if I bought a new one. The motor builds, I mean, I want it built, but it's hard to compete with, you know, people that get a bunch of free stuff. It's not real world circumstances, and I have nothing against it. They worked for it, you know. They've been doing it for a long time, and they got to that level. I'm not at that level. Make, you know, 50 grand a year, have a house, 2 kids. No excuses, just real life circumstances. Anyways, I'll try to make a video this weekend, just keeping you updated on what's going on in my life. Thanks for watching. This is Life in a Mustang. Peace.